Okay, so here we are again on the Polaris Ranger, and we're just going to go through what some wiring we've done today. It's a bit bright, but should be able to see. So we've got the power wires coming out for the power distribution on the Anderson plug. So we've got one forward, one rear, two at the back, in the middle of the cap. We've got the power wires coming from the off-on switch, so we can activate the 12 volt when the vehicle's off, draining from the big battery and the middle battery. And then we've got the wires coming out from the lighting scenario. So let's have a look at the inside, and let's go from here. So we've moved the speedo to here. We've moved the horn button down to here. You've got your indicators up here. Not the best switch, but we'll leave that in there for now. Over here, if you can see that, you've got the off-on button for the 12 volt, which is separate to the ignition. So you can park up and run pumps and etc. You've got the 4 buttons for your halo lights, so left and right, and front and rear. We've got the hardcore display, which is your main battery pack display. We're going to move this switch, which is your max and low and high range, to an indicator stalk over here. So you can do it a bit easier while driving just by flicking your fingers. And down here we've got the other side of those Anderson connectors. So we've got front, rear, and the 2 center ones, which are up here, and the 2 center ones. The rear's down here. If you saw that one. Rear's down here, just hanging for the time being until the body goes back on. And the front's fitted to a waterproof connector, or water resistant, but just to keep some dust out when it's not in use. So that's as far as we're going with the Polaris today. So we're just going to go through. We're running a parallel charge on these batteries very slowly at about 3 amps. So they're all going to charge up to 3.6 volts and manage that. We've got the 12 volt battery down here in just a little lunchbox type case for now, to keep it protected and safe from everything for the time being. And we've got some more bits and pieces in there to work on that. We're still going to go through and sort of purge or liquid electrical tape on the rest of the items on the back, so there's no dust or dirt that gets in. And we're going to do that sort of stuff. So there you go. There's a Polaris Ranger. A little bit more wiring done. So there you go. Thank you very much for watching.